from Usha Martin World School. Welcome you all in our class 11th physical education. Hope you all are safe at home. Students, today we are going to discuss about relaxation techniques for improving concentration, Yoga Nidra. Now let's start, students. Nowadays, human life has been become fast and hectic. Every individual is trying to adjust in this fast changing world, but it all in vain. Ultimately, human beings are facing various mental or psychological problems. Yoga Nidra, as a technique of pratyahara, not only provides relaxation to body and mind but also has a number of benefits. Yoga Nidra is usually referred to as yogic sleep. It is a systematic method of guided relaxation that has a profound effect on body and mind. Yoga Nidra also means physical sleep, that is, sleep with complete awareness. In the practice of Yoga Nidra, the body sleeps but the mind remains awake. In psychology, the state of Yoga Nidra is called a state between sleep and wakefulness. Yoga Nidra is performed in the posture of Shavasana with the eyes closed. In fact, Yoga Nidra is a very powerful physical and mental relaxation technique. Now students, states of Yoga Nidra. The complete practice of Yoga Nidra consists of the following states. First is preparation. Get ready for Yoga Nidra. Lay down on your back on the floor and adopt the pose of Savasana. In this position, the body should be straight from head to toe. Legs should be slightly apart and arms should be a little away from the body. Palms should be upwards. Feel comfortable in this position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Now see the picture, students, how to do Savasana and Yoga Nidra. Intention, it means sankalp, why we are doing. Now take a resolve or sankalpa according to your own wish. It should be short, clear and positive. For example, sankalpa may be, I will enjoy complete health or I will ever be cheerful, etc. Third is body rotation. At this stage, awareness is rotated through the different body parts in a systematic way, which leads to complete relaxation in a systematic and organized manner. The rotation of awareness is started in proper sequence, that is, right side of the body begins with the right hand thumb and ending with the little toe of the right foot. Then left side of the foot from the left hand thumb to the little toe of the left foot. Back of the body from the heels to the back of the head and lastly the front of the body. From forehead to individual facial features to the legs. In this way, the whole body is relaxed. Fourth is breath awareness. At this stage, you simply become aware of the natural breath without doing any effort to change the flow of the breath. It gives a deeper relaxation and awakens higher energies that can be directed to all the parts of the body. Now fifth is opposites or feelings and sensations. At this stage, allow yourself to experience feeling and sensation. Usually it is practiced with pairs of opposite feelings like heat and cold, pain and pleasure, love and hate, etc. 6 is visualization. This stage induces mental relaxation. It develops self awareness and relax the mind through removable or disturbing materials, controls the mind, and strengthens concentration ability. In fact, it is done by visualization or variety of different images, objects, and situations. Seventh is Sankalpa. Again, Sankalpa mentioned in the second point is repeated thrice with complete dedication. Now last is return or finishing the practice. This stage is important because if you move fast out of Yoga Nidra, you can feel disconnected and uncomfortable. At this stage, awareness is externalized slowly so that you can be aware of the external location, sound, objects, and persons. Now, students, advantage of Yoga Nidra. First is reduce tension. Nowadays, most people remain under stress and tension, which usually create a number of physical and psychological problems. Modern psychology, as well as yogic philosophy, believes that there are three kinds of tension: muscular, emotional, and mental tension, which can be progressively reduced through regular practice of Yoga Nidra. Second is relaxes the mind. The brain is linking mediator between mind, body, and emotions. In fact, during the process of Yoga Nidra, the awareness of the body stimulates the brain. When the awareness is rotated on the different parts of the body, it induces both physical and mental relaxation. Also, when awareness is rotated repeatedly, there is a good flow of pranic energy in the brain, which ultimately relaxes the mind. Third is awakens creativity. Regular practice of Yoga Nidra helps in making a bridge between the conscious and unconscious mind. Slowly and individually becomes tuned with the unconscious workings, and then the power of creativity automatically awakens. Fourth is increases memory and learning capacity. The technique of Yoga Nidra is helpful in increasing both learning and memory capacity. When Yoga Nidra is used in education, both hemisphere of the student's brain are involved in learning the subject, whereas in classroom technique, the left hemisphere functions more. Now, fifth is counteracts stress. The practice of Yoga Nidra helps in building up the coping ability to counteract stress. Six is manage systematic disease. When tension, conflicts, and frustration of the mind manifest in the form of physical symptoms, those diseases are termed as physiosomatic disease. Yoga Nidra aims at releasing the suppressed and repressed conflicts from the unconscious, thereby relaxing the mind. 7 is cures cancer. As a technique of meditation, Yoga Nidra can be adopted as a therapeutic model in the treatment of cancer. Now, 8th is helps healing. In the practice of Yoga Nidra, the subtle bioplasmic energy, prana, is awakened and mobilized throughout the body. Gradually, this conscious imagination activates the self-healing capacity, and thereby actual healing takes place in the patient. This kind of healing is termed as pranic healing. In Yoga Nidra, healing can also be initiated on the mental plan. When the body is visualized to be in perfect health over and over again, the inherent potency of the mind actually starts healing. Now, last is promotes willpower. Yog Nidra helps in building up willpower and optimism in an individual because it is showed in the subconscious and unconscious mind repeatedly. So the techniques of Yog Nidra has preventive, promotive and curative values in our present modern lifestyle where psychological and physiosomatic problems are on the rise. The techniques of Yog Nidra may serve as a real boon for mankind. Now, thank you, students.